back to my channel. So today is my husband's birthday, but we've recently started the keto diet, so he is home with the keto flu. I got all dolled up, I had on a dress, we were ready to go downtown, and we came home instead, and now he's asleep. So I figured I'd take this time, I'd take advantage of this time and make a video. So today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the O-Cedar mop. I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna basically provide a review. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is the O-Cedar mop. Okay, so I watch tons of clean with me videos, and I see a lot of people with this mop, and I just think it's so super convenient to not have to bend over and try to squeeze out your mop. You just use the pedal and you push down on it and it spins the water out, and I think that's super cool. So I wanted to try it. Couldn't find a box cutter, so big ass knife it is. Let's see. Angelina, do I need to have that in the background? Okay, well they have the instructions right here on the top. I'm going to show you. See that? Okay, I guess this is part of the mop head. Not quite sure what that contraption is, but that's what it looks like. It might be. Here's the mop bucket. Super pretty. Looks really durable. And then here's the mop stick, the handle, whatever. So it says to unlock it, open it, and then lock it back, or whatever. I'm guessing it's tension, maybe not. Okay. Okay, and then you just tighten it by spinning it clockwise. This one isn't tightening. Maybe counterclockwise? No? I hope I didn't get a broken one. Okay, there we go. Yeah, clockwise. Okay. I probably should be reading the instructions. So it says turn handle left to adjust height, turn handle right to lock, screw into the red plastic base, so that would be this. Okay. Align microfiber mop head with base and push down until it snaps securely in place. Okay, here's the microfiber cloth base. I hear that this is machine washable, and that's like a game changer for me. In addition, I love microfiber. Like, I love microfiber cloths. I use them for everything. Okay, that was easy. And this is it. Let's see if there's any extra instructions. So it says to fill the bucket to the max line, place the mop inside the bucket, place wet mop inside the wringer, loosely hold handle vertically to allow mop to spin, and push pedal to customize moisture level. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what I typically use to mop. So this is this O-Cedar too? No, Rubbermaid or something. I don't know. It's okay. This is my mop, and I just press the button, and usually I do it in the mop bucket and it's wet and it just falls down, and I rinse it out, and then you pull it up and you squeeze it. This is effective. I don't hate this mop. It works. It gets the job done. I just feel like pushing the pedal would be a little bit more simple. And I love microfiber again. I also have this Swiffer wet jet. This just doesn't get the job done. Like, I very rarely use this. I'm not even certain why I bought it, but I did. Okay. And then there's my mop bucket. Definitely want to get rid of this. I'm just gonna go over the floor with my little Black & Decker vacuum just to make sure that I picked up all the dirt and dust and everything before I go ahead and mop. All right, and I've already filled the bucket with hot water up to the fill line, and I'm just gonna add some of this Mrs. Meyer's concentrated multi-surface stuff. All right, so let's see. Excuse my toes. I need to get a pedicure. Okay. This is difficult to do with one hand. Okay, so it says hold the handle loosely. Oh, that's pretty cool. I will say it's a little small. Like I kind of like bigger, like a bigger surface area to clean with, but we'll see. So I do love that it's flat here so that I can get like in the crevices here and like all by the door, and I had a difficult time with that with the other mop. Okay, so this is the hallway floor. You can't really tell the difference, but I do really like it. The surface area didn't bother me too much, and it was easier on my back because it's really lightweight and it kind of just glides across the floor. Okay guys, so far I really love the mop. I don't regret the purchase. I told my husband I wanted to try it, and he was like, oh, okay, you know, how much is it? And I'm like, it's about $40. He was like, for a mop, you crazy? But I got it anyway, you know. And I feel like it's worth it. I feel like it's really convenient. It's a back saver, both the not having to bend over and squeeze out any water from the mop, and also mopping with it, the way that it glides across the floor and it takes pressure off of your back. So no regrets. So far so good. I love it. I did want to let you guys know that I do plan on posting more videos with different content. Like I said, I did start the keto diet like a week ago, and I've already lost like 7 pounds. So I do plan on uploading videos about my keto journey, letting you guys know what I'm eating, how I got into ketosis, like everything. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.